Hey, good morning, everyone. Just wanted to give you a quick update on where we're at with the AC and the electrical on this bus. So this is the office space that was leaking. We're going to hook this hose up, and at first I wasn't sure where I was going to run it, but right before I made this video, I think I found out what happened. So there's a space right here that they're running lines down, and this is gonna have to like be downsized. So I'm just gonna go from here, get a smaller tubing, and then thread it down here. And first I wasn't sure kind of where we're at, and I still don't know. I'm not 100% on this. It's a possible that we can run through this 2-inch PVC and just run it to this back office back here and then down and out. Because it threads right through. You can see, like right here. That was my first option, but then I started snooping around, and I think I found something. So underneath, turn my headlamp on. Underneath here, it looks like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but if you can see back up in there, looks like there might be a drain line that might have got cut off and then kind of pulled down or fell down in there. But if that's the case, and I'm kind of hoping that's the case, then I could just splice right into that, because that's already going out of the bus. So that'll be perfect if that's what we got. Easy fix, done. Electrical. Let's just walk through here. I already did a practice test before I made this video, so kind of knew where we're at. So basically, tested all these lines. Working. Not working. So one's working, one's not working, and that's the case in the offices too. So we're getting power to the outlet, and so that's good news, because that just means replacing the outlet. Not working. Not working. USB ports are working. So both the outlets on, and the kind of the main sitting area is not working. Except for behind the couch, we got one working, one not working. Go conference room. No shoes today, which is nice. It's nice out. Not working. Working. I don't know if you can hear it come on. It's just kind of how I'm testing it. USB port's working. So one working, one not working. Go into this office, do the same thing. Working. I don't know if you can hear it come on or not. Not working. You know, if I do that, then is this one working? Nah, that didn't do nothing. That's the light switch. So back office next to the, on the passenger side, working. Not working. And then the leaky office, which won't be leaky for long, hopefully. Not working. Yeah, that would explain that. Oh, those are new wires. Those are brand new. Huh. They just hooked this up. These are new. These are new. I'll have to test that. I'm gonna have to put a light on there. Make sure we're getting power. And then this one, working. So the theme is one working, one not working. We'll get them both working. If these are easy fixes, which I'm hoping they are, I just don't know yet. We should have them fixed by Monday. Then I can go back to kind of just updating and upgrading kind of the little things here and there, and ready to go, and hopefully we have everything ready for your next trip. All right, guys, that's my update. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you later.